Hello, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your password on your Amazon Fire HD 10 if you forgot the pin here. So you can just type in this pin wrong maybe 5 times, so just hit a bunch of numbers like this. And it'll bring up this screen where it says incorrect password. So if you zoom in on this, it will give you the option to perform a factory reset there, which will wipe all the data off your device, and you can start it up and it will be like new. Or you can go to this option where it says reset password. So we can just reset the password and open this up so we can see this little option on the top where I can sign in now with my password, and you can just sign in with that right here. It says please sign into your password, and then you should be able to continue. So if you forgot your password, however, for your Amazon account, well, you're going to have to probably recover that on your computer. It doesn't give you the option on this device, and then you can just put it in right there. Otherwise, we can try going back. So if all else fails, we could just factory reset it. Looks like I just typed in right, but we could factory reset it this way too. If we hold down the power button, go to power off, and just shut it off. Then the button that's closer to the power button, I think it's the power button, the volume down button, but I think it actually goes up. But the one that's closer to the power button, just hold that down at the same time as the power button now. And this will bring you to the recovery screen. And then you can let go when you see the Amazon logo. Now going down by pressing the volume button, this one that's closer to the edge, to wipe data, factory reset, and you can just come to here and then go to yes, and this will wipe all the data off your Fire Stick or your Fire tablet. And then you can just log back in with your Amazon account. So I think you do have to be connected to the Wi-Fi to pretty much reset it with your password. So if you are near your Wi-Fi router, that's good. Otherwise, you might want to just wait until you're back at your home network to be able to use that. So another thing that you could do is if you do have a mobile hotspot, you could just come up with the same Wi-Fi or the connection name, the router name, and then the same password. And you could try connecting to that with your router. I don't know if that would work, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out.